Glowrecipe Vault Set for 2022 is available now at Cult Beauty. This box is $299.46 and includes 9 glow-giving bestseller products from Glowrecipe. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Unlock the glow-giving secrets that lies in the Vault Set, a 9-piece kit that caters to your skin's every concern. Applying South Korea trends and innovation to an ever-growing range of fruit-fueled skin and body care, Glowrecipe's co-founder, Sarah Lee and Christine Chang, have made K-Beauty's brilliance accessible to all. Cute, convertible, and ultra effectiveness. The sorbet hued treatments are filled with results-driven actives that are both hardworking and gentle. Make room in your bathroom cabinet for the ultimate, and we mean ultimate, 9-piece gift brimming with skin-saving treasures, starring sought-after staples from gentle cleansers to hydrating serums. The Vault Set allows you to unlock the most pore-refined, dream-like complexion ever. The kit will include Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, Guava Vitamin C plus Ferulic Dark Spot Serum, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Serum, and Guava Vitamin C Gel Eye Cream. Let me know if you're thinking about picking up any of these. I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.